Hello, I'm Edward.
And I'm Jessica.
As the owner-operators of Cedar Master Ltd, we want to extend our heartfelt thanks to all our customers for your support over the past year.
Your trust in us has been instrumental in our growth, and we're excited to continue serving you in 2025.
At Cedar Master Ltd, we specialize in comprehensive cedar restoration services.
From professional house washing to staining, painting or oiling, we ensure your cedar exteriors are protected and look their best.
We are passionate about what we do and take pride in delivering top quality results for our clients.
To learn more about our services or to schedule a quote, visit our website at www.cedarmaster.co.nz.
You can also reach us directly at 022 690 6650.
Or follow us on Facebook at Cedar Master Ltd for your updates and testimonials.
We're wishing you a wonderful 2025 and we look forward to bringing new life to your cedar homes.